8BitDo's color-accurate Bluetooth controller for the Analogue 3D is now available to buy. Hey everyone, the wait is finally over. For all you retro gaming fans, the moment you've been anticipating has arrived. More than 2 months after it was announced, the gray version of the 8BitDo 64 Bluetooth controller is finally available to buy. Designed for the Analogue 3D console, the controller is also compatible with the Nintendo Switch, Switch 2, Android, and Windows. The 8BitDo 64 Bluetooth controller was finally released in July 2025, 9 months after it was first announced. Then in November 2025, 8BitDo announced a gray color option to join the black and white colors that were available at launch. After months of being on pre-order, the controller is now available to buy. Priced at $44.99, the gray 8BitDo 64 Bluetooth controller is available to buy on the 8BitDo eShop as well as on Amazon. This is a slightly higher price tag than the black and white variants, which are priced at $39.99. However, save for the color, there are no differences. The gray 8BitDo 64 Bluetooth controller is designed to match the color of the original Nintendo 64 controller with its gray shell, yellow SIB buttons, blue A button, green B button, and red start button. The D-pad along with the shoulder buttons and triggers are dark gray. The 8BitDo 64 Bluetooth controller is designed for the Analogue 3D, but if you don't own or intend to purchase the FPGA console, the controller is also compatible with the Nintendo Switch, Nintendo Switch 2, and devices running Android and Windows. The 8BitDo 64 Bluetooth controller supports both Bluetooth and wired USB connections. It also features Hall effect joysticks and triggers, a turbo function, and a 1000 mAh battery that is advertised as providing up to 36 hours of use. In addition to the gray version, 8BitDo also announced 8 additional colors called the Fantastic Limited Editions. They are currently available to pre-order and will be released in February. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more gaming news.